cooling has so often been ignored in the larger discourse on climate change. And thankfully, we're starting to see that change, which is really exciting because we know that we can't reach net zero emissions without reducing cooling emissions.
So this is not only for comfort cooling, making people cool, it's mostly also for the food, to have enough food for all the people on this planet.
It's really necessary to have green cooling to reach the SDGs overall.
The reality is the fluorochemical industry has been very successful in reinventing themselves over and over again, and we've got into this chemical treadmill.
Natural refrigerants are available in vast quantities at very low price.
The big benefit of the new technology is the energy. We see 20, 30, even 50% reduced energy in our new range of equipment.
The engineering is there, like you said, and there is so many creative and innovative solutions on the market, and the more time we spend and the more we spend on R&D, even more efficient these systems will become.
R290 and split air conditioning, it's so obvious, it's such a low-hanging fruit. There's lots of people in other sectors scrabbling around to get, a few kilos of CO2 emissions reduction done here and there. But split ACs, it just seems like a no-brainer.
Let's have ambitious regulatory certainty so that we can avoid gypsies.
By going down and putting stricter limits, I think the naturals will have a much larger share in the future.
But we also need the correct information and awareness raising. I think that's key because there are so many industrial apostles with alternative facts.
Opportunities and incentives must be provided to manufacturing companies to encourage them to move the technology in those areas.
And besides, I will push our distributors to place more orders for R290.
A lot has been done. The Montreal Protocol is the most successful treaty ever, but there's still a lot more to do. There's a huge challenge ahead of us.
We need to act now, within the next 5 years.
We can't wait around, and we cannot continue using obsolete refrigerants.
We have to focus to protect the environment.
The innovation is there, the ideas are there, the technical solutions are there. We need to now have a concerted effort to get our administrators, our bureaucrats, our politicians on board. The future is now and not 2030. Now.